Welcome to our complete guide on resetting your SimpliSafe system. Whether you're experiencing issues or just need a fresh start, we've got you covered. There are two types of resets: a soft reset, which is easier and often fixes minor glitches, and a hard reset, which restores the device to factory settings. To perform a soft reset, simply unplug the device from power for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This can solve minor issues without losing your settings. For a hard reset, press and hold the reset button on the device for 10 seconds until you see a flashing light. This will erase all saved settings. You may need to reset your system if it's not responding, if you've changed your Wi-Fi network, or if you've just updated your system. If your reset fails, ensure you're following the steps correctly. Double-check the power supply and consult the user manual for assistance. Once the reset is successful, you'll want to restore your settings. Simply follow the setup process again as if it's a new device. To avoid future resets, regularly check your device and Wi-Fi connection and keep your software updated. We've gathered some frequently asked questions about resetting your SimpliSafe system to assist you further. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you maintain your home security system. Stay safe and secure.